Observe the following safety guidelines. Remove any exposed metal jewelry to avoid shock and snag hazards. Secure all loose necklaces and objects. Observe ESD precautions. Wear an ESD wrist strap whenever handling, removing, or replacing PC boards or electronic components to reduce damage caused by electrostatic discharge. Always power the gaming device off before servicing, removing, and replacing peripheral devices or when performing any maintenance procedures. There may be instances where it is necessary to service the gaming device while the power is on. Use insulated tool grips and test leads. Exercise extreme caution to avoid physical contact with energized surfaces and parts within the game. Failure to do so may result in injury or even death.
Hello, I'm Frank, your technical host. Today, I'm going to teach you how to clean, adjust, and calibrate the LCD. Here are some of the items you will need to clean an LCD. A non-abrasive rag, an ammonia-free glass cleaner, a soft bristled brush, and a shop vac. First, open the main door and turn the power off. Do not spray the glass cleaner directly onto the touchscreen because it can seep down into the seal and cause a touchscreen malfunction. Always spray the glass cleaner onto a rag and then use the rag to wipe off the touchscreen. Now is a good time to perform a preventive maintenance check. Remove this plug and check to make sure that there isn't any burned or bent pins here. Here on this LCD, you can see this plug has had a heat-related problem, and this plug and harness has to be replaced. Usually you can tell by the smell that there is a heat-related issue. Vacuuming the dirt off the LCD chassis and fan area will allow the LCD to run cooler. Overheating is one of the biggest causes of component breakdown in an LCD. With a brush, you can get into the more hard to reach areas. There are 4 buttons on the Video Adjust PC board. There's the main menu, there's down left, up right, and auto adjust. Here's an example of a screen that's off center and needs to be adjusted. We're going to take and push the auto adjust button so that we can adjust this and center the screen. Here we're going to do a manual adjustment to center the screen. Simply by pushing the menu button, we can cursor over to the image, enter, cursor over to the horizontal position, enter, and now we can adjust it back to center. We can exit and cursor back to the exit, cursor back to the exit, and we are now centered screen. Now that we've made our screen adjustments, we still need to calibrate the touchscreen. We can calibrate the touchscreen by turning the jackpot reset key, which allows us to get into the attendant mode. If we turn it again, this will get us into the touchscreen calibration. And if we turn it again, we can now adjust our touchscreen. Touch the crosshair here, and the touchscreen calibration is now complete. You can turn the jackpot reset key and return to game. Now we're going to enter the touchscreen mode using the diagnostics. Open the door, push the diagnostics button, and we're now in the setup menu. You push setup, touchscreen. We now have to turn the jackpot reset key and touch the crosshair. If you touch the crosshair and nothing happens, there could be a problem with this touchscreen and it'll need to be troubleshot before we can go any farther. But now we can touch the crosshairs, turn again the jackpot reset key switch, and return to the game. This concludes the cleaning and adjusting and calibration of the LCD. Thank you for coming to Slot Machine University for all of your slot machine information and training needs.